Hi guys, this is Tamara Linkowski from healthytreatsmarket.com, and I'm going to show you today how to do a very relaxing enema. You can do coffee enemas, you can do baking soda enemas, you can put turmeric in your water and make a turmeric enema as an anti-inflammatory. There's a lot of different things you can do, okay? But we're going to do a baking soda enema today because that's just easier for me. So I buy these special buckets. I've had this bucket for years. I don't bleach it. When you do coffee enemas, this turns kind of colored like this. There's nothing you can really do about it. But when you buy one, it's all white. But anyway, I don't like to put bleach through it just because I'm using it in my body. So I like this specific bucket, and I do sell it at the market because it's got two stoppers. This one that releases is a lot easier than one of these here that most enema buckets have. So that's why this one's a little bit more expensive. Plus this tip is a lot smaller. See how it's got a hole there? You just need to insert it this far and you're good to go. So I'm telling you, this is relaxing and it's not bad at all. Now I'm gonna run the water. I let the water get to a little bit warmer than room temperature. So let's do that. And then once the water is warm enough, I'm just gonna fill the bucket. Guys, when I started doing this, I could not even hold 4 ounces. I can hold this whole bucket now in one time. So what you guys want to do, the problem with keto, a lot of people that have done keto in the past and haven't done my kind of keto end up really, really constipated. And sometimes the constipation is so bad that you gotta clean your pipe both ways, okay? So that's what we're doing here. We are gonna fill the bucket now because I got the water at room temperature. So I'm gonna fill it up to 48 ounces because that's where I'm at now. I can hold 48 ounces without a problem at all. I'm gonna put about a tablespoon of baking soda in here, okay? And I'm gonna stir it. I'm gonna show you. I just put a tablespoon of baking soda in here and I'm stirring it, okay? I probably should have used a new bucket, but I don't have one at home. Now what I'm gonna do is I am going to release this so that all the water can go through. Okay, you hear that? So now the water's all going through. So I'm going to show you, once it goes through, I'm going to show you. I'm going to lift this up so that, there you go. See that? It's going through now. Now I'm going to stop it because I don't want to, when I do release it, I don't want to be filling myself with air. It hurts, okay? So now I got water all the way through here. Now only water is going to go in through me. Now I got some oil. You can use olive oil. You can use whatever you want. I just put a little bit of oil at the tip to make it a little bit easier to put it inside of me. So that's what I'm going to do. And then I'm going to show you guys what I have down here. So I'm going to just put the... I'm going to leave this in here for a second. I'm going to show you what I did down here. In my bathroom, I have a mat with a little pillow and I have a dark towel down there. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to lay on my right side. Okay, I don't remember why they tell you to do that, but that's what they tell you to do. I'm going to lay on my right side and I'm going to do the enema. The most important thing is holding it. So if you do 16 ounces and you can only hold it for a minute, that's not going to help you as much as doing 8 ounces and holding it for 10 minutes. So you're going to want to do, you know, when I started, I could only hold 4 ounces for a couple minutes. So I worked my way up to holding 16 ounces for 10 minutes, and I did it twice back to back. So I would fill the bucket with 32 ounces, and then I would do 16 ounces once, hold it for 10 minutes, go to the bathroom and release it, and then do 16 ounces again, hold it for 10 minutes, go to the bathroom and release it. And it took about 6 weeks until I finally noticed that I was completely cleaned out. Once I noticed I was cleaned out, I was able to hold, like I said, now I can hold 48 ounces indefinitely. Honestly, I don't even get the urge to go. That's how clean my pipe is from the inside out. And when between my juicing and my food and the things I eat and I go to the bathroom about 4 times a day. Like I poop 4 times a day. And that's what a healthy body does, guys. So I hope this video helps you. Just so you know, I've had heart failure. This is my 5th battle with heart failure. So I'm just trying to keep myself healthy in case God wants to give me more kids or whatever God wants to do with me. So this is what I'm doing. So come see us where it's Healthy Treats Market. We're in the Davison Farmers Market. We're here every Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, 9 to 5. I'm obviously at home now, not at work. You can also like our Facebook page, Healthy Treats Market. You can join the Healthy Treats Market support group. You can go on YouTube and watch a bunch of videos on delicious foods that I make that are super clean and healthy, grain-free, gluten-free, very, very low carb, and Healthy Treats Market. Or you can visit healthytreatsmarket.com. I've got a recipe book and I've got a bunch of videos on how to do the recipes. So thanks for watching. God bless you.